Anyway, we're doing case 4 of Noir at 6:06 and 4 seconds PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. No, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Teams now. So good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alrighty, so we'll go through the list. As I said, just Van Houten with Jazz, Don Smith with Kings, Michael Van Houten with Grizz, Darren Gibbs with Bucks, Charles with Lakers, Benji Mack with Bulls, Mason O'Dorman with Rockets, Glenbow Sixers, Don Smith Magic, Van Houten Pelicans, Timbo Raptors, Darren Gibbs Thunder, Wilco Cavs, Jeff Torski Pistons, Van Houten Suns, Glenbow Knicks, Leah Hornets, Glenbow Warriors, Van Houten Blazers, Cannon Pacers, Ashton Scott McMahon with Wolves and Nuggets, Wilco Spurs, Mason O'Dorman Nets, Van Houten Mavericks, Timbo Heat, Zach Nichols Celtics, Wizards with Van Houten, Fasolis Hawks, and Van Houten with Clippers. And that is the list. And we're done. Random.